Yo, what's good? It's your boy TRNT, and I'm back one more again. This time I'm back with a highly anticipated album by your boy Gus Dapperton. You know what I'm saying? He just dropped the album called Henge, probably like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. And I know I'm late to it, but this is about to be my first time reacting to it. Unlike the other YouTubers and the other reactors, I do not skip the song. I do not pause the song. I listen to the whole song, and at the end, I give my commentary. I grade each song from 0 to 10, 10 being the best. So what I want y'all to do is stay to the end so y'all can get y'all grade with me. If it's a trash song, that's 5 and below. If it's 6, that means it's average, okay, it's mid. 7 and above is a good song. It just depends on how good y'all think it is. Without further ado, this is Gus Dapperton. Get to know the name. He knew, but Gus Dapperton. Henge.
Your fucking panties all in a bunch and making reaction vids. I hate you niggas that make reaction vids.
Midnight Train. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, Midnight Train, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it short. I fucking with it already. I don't know if it was auto-tune. I ain't catch the lyrics as much as I supposed to, but it was still a vibe. It sounded good, you know what I'm saying? And so far, like, every song been a good song. Like, this one, I'm gonna give it an 8, you know what I'm saying? It's a good song. I fucks with it. I fuck with the vibe. Like I said, there's a couple of songs I skipped on the album, but the album's so good, I'm gonna end up listening to it anyway. Like, I'm gonna add. I already added to my playlist after that second song, Horizons. I added to my playlist. Like, I'm gonna listen to the whole album. But if y'all want me to do a reaction to the songs I didn't do, spam my comments. I'ma fuck with one more song. And if this one song, let me tell y'all, I learned about Gus from Cruz Santino. I don't know if Gus was bigger than Cruz Santino or if Cruz Santino was bigger than Gus. But Gus featured on 2 or 3 songs off Cruz Santino last album, which put me on Gus radar. So when I ask y'all to leave me suggestions, I take it serious because the songs y'all look. The dude named Cruz Santino, I wouldn't even known about him if y'all didn't say react to him. Shout out to whoever the subscriber, if you still subscribe to me, let me know so I can really pump you up. I'll listen to whatever the fuck you want me to listen to. Cause you put me on Cruz Santino. He became my, like, a good album to listen to. He became my favorite artist, and it's only because of y'all. That's why I fuck with y'all. Y'all fuck with me. You know what I mean? And listen to Cruz Santino. He put me after Cruz Santino. I listened to Ama Ray, Adunsi the Engine. Damn, I'm forgetting some people. Lancey Fox or whatever. Lancey. Like, anybody come from Cruz Santino camp, Brazy B, like, anybody. Like, I fucks with everything Cruz Santino attached to him. And that's only because y'all gave me the suggestions, and I fucked with him so hard he became my favorite artist in the world. I fucks with his camp. I fuck with the people he do music with. I fuck with Gus now, and this Gus album proving, like, bro, I fucks with you too. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with all type of music. So leave y'all suggestions. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm gonna do one more song. One more. That's with Cruz Santino. This is the one I've been wanting to hear. So with that being said, leave y'all grade. Leave y'all comment, y'all commentary, what y'all want to add. If y'all already heard the album, what's y'all favorite song on the album? What song y'all want me to react to next? If y'all fuck with me and Gus, click the next video. If not, I'll holler.